Y'all trying to get like this before the summer starts? Or like this before the summer starts? Well then, y'all better keep watching, because I'm about to teach all y'all young boys who are watching this video how to get a bigger petite body before the summer starts, because I know the summer is about to start. So I'm going to be showing all you young boys who are watching this video on how to get the body you want before the summer. I'm going to be showing you all the workouts and stuff and all the foods. Well, I'm not going to really be showing y'all all the foods. I'm going to be telling y'all all the foods that y'all need to be eating to get big before the summer starts, because I know y'all want to just, you know what I'm saying, take y'all shirts off and show off the abs and show off your abdominals and your muscles. All right, so I'm going to be showing you the workouts you need to be doing so you can be able to do that at the pool. All right, my niggas, so the first workout you want to start off with is push-ups. Do 5 push-ups each and do 5 reps or 5 sets. This is a good workout for the chest and biceps all in one. So if you got something called man titties, that's one way to get rid of them. The second workout you're gonna want to do is the same thing, but mix it with a plank. I like to call it a push-up plank. Do 10 of those and do 4 reps of them, and then you're gonna be good, my G. This workout increases your bicep muscles and also your tricep muscles and your leg muscles all in one. So I would highly recommend you guys do this workout. This is a very beneficial workout for the biceps, triceps, and the leg muscles. Third workout you're gonna want to do is pull-ups. This increases the muscles in your chest, biceps, and triceps all in one. So I will highly recommend you do this workout. If you don't have a pull-up bar, do it on the door like I'm doing, because as you see, I don't have a pull-up bar because I'm trying to be up the budget and not have to order one on Amazon, you know, try to save more money, if y'all get what I'm saying. This workout is also a stretch for the body. So instead of pulling up on the door, you just want to hang from it. I would recommend y'all just do 10 to 20 of those. Fourth workout you're going to want to do is the ALT crunches. This is a very, very beneficial workout for the abdominals. So if you want to get abs before the summer starts, then I would highly recommend you do this workout. I know it's finna be people in the comment section saying that I have man titties. I don't have man titties. There's a difference between a big chest and man titties. When you have a big chest, it tends to be broad with no muscle. Man titties, however, are when you have excess fat in the chest. So for all the younger niggas watching my video, I hope y'all really get the difference now, but if y'all don't, I don't know what to tell you. That is personally not a thing that I'm insecure about, because now that I'm working out, I know that's something I can fix. Now that we got all the workouts y'all 13 and up year olds need to be doing before the summer out the way, I'm going to be explaining to y'all teenagers who are watching this video what to eat in order to bulk up like me, man. So we're just going to get straight into it. So the first food you need to be eating is baked beans. They're high in calcium, they're high in healthy fats, and they're high in carbs, and they're also high in protein. So make sure you get as much as baked beans as you can. And if you want to sauce it up a little bit, put a little turkey in there, because turkey is also high in protein, it's high in healthy fat, and it can also help you bulk up and get muscular and get lean like me. Now, obviously the 13 and up year olds who are watching this video, y'all gonna eat snacks here and there. That is okay, but make sure you set a limit to that if you want to get big. And like I said in my get taller videos and stuff, you want to limit how much sweets and desserts you eat, okay? Don't eat too much dessert because they're high in toxic fats, okay? So every food has fat in it. I'm gonna just give y'all a disclaimer. Every food has fat in it. Some foods have healthy fats, some have toxic fats. But you wanna eat the foods that have healthy fats in order for you to bulk up like the one and only real and truest 15-year-old young nigga like me. You feel me? So eat your baked beans, all right? Eat your baked beans, you feel me? Every time you're at a cookout, as much as baked beans as you can on that plate, all right? So get your baked beans. The second food you need to be eating is watermelon. That's also on the top of the list. That's also a cookout food too. And it's also high in protein, it's high in natural sugar, and it can also help you bulk up and get lean. So eat as much as watermelon as you can. That's why you see most people who look like me, if y'all know what I mean, that are muscular, You feel me? That's why you see most of them that look like me that are muscular. Me, I'm muscular because of genetics, but I'm lean and muscular. I'm not stocky. You feel what I'm saying? Like I'm lean and muscular. Like you feel me? So watermelon should be on your list of your meal prep that you should be eating, okay? So eat as much as watermelon as you can before the summer, and eat it during the summer too, because it's gonna be really hot and you want to stay hydrated, because watermelon can also hydrate you too. That's why it's called watermelon. The third food you need to be eating in order to get fit before the summer and bulky before the summer is pasta, okay? Eat as much as pasta. Me, I'm a firm lover of pasta. I love pasta very much. Macaroni and cheese is my favorite pasta. Y'all can look me up about it. Do all your research. I love pasta very much. Not only is because pasta good, but because it also has healthy fats. It's high in healthy fats. It's high in protein. It's high in calcium. And it's also high in carbs. So eat as much as pasta as you can. It can also increase your chances of growing taller too. I guess you can call this video of how to get taller 2 video, because when you bulking up and getting tall, like getting fit and getting slim and getting tall, they all go hand in hand. So I guess you can call this a get taller video, but this is not what this is about, okay? This is about getting fit. This is about getting lean. This is about getting swole before the summer, all right? But we got all that out the way. But eat you as much as pasta as you can, all right? Eat you some macaroni. I would recommend you eat macaroni and cheese, obviously. Eat Alfredo. That's high in, you know, calcium and carbs and healthy fat and protein and nutrients. So get you as much as pasta as you can. The last and final food you need to be eating, I know they tell us not to eat chicken all the time, but eat chicken, okay? It's high in protein, it's high in healthy fat, and it can bulk you up before the summer, okay? It can also get you, I don't got them right now, but it can also get you veins on your hands and veins on your arms. I don't got them right now because I'm relaxed right now. My body is relaxed right now. I'm sitting back and I'm chilling, explaining this video to y'all, but I get them often. But that's what you need to be eating. That's the last and final food you need to be eating. I would recommend you put all that stuff on your plate, because nigga, you put all that on your plate that I just listed in this video, oh yeah, you're gonna be straight. And if you add all the workouts and stay consistent with your workouts before this summer starts, then you're gonna be straight. You're gonna be good, my nigga. You are gonna be straight, all right? So that's all the foods you need to be eating. That's all the workouts you need to be doing in order to get lean, muscular, and fit like me. You feel me? And for all the 13 and up people, all right? For all the 13 and up people who are watching, the video stopped. But for all my 13 and up people who are watching this video, if you're trying to look like them 25-year-olds that are shredded and stuff, I'ma break it to you. You're not gonna look like that, okay? You're 13. You're only 13 years old. I'ma break this to you, all right? You're only 13 years old. The body and the mind does not stop fully developing until it's 25. So you're still growing. Your body is still growing and still developing. So give it time and give it patience. And for all the older people who are watching this that are 21 and up, and you trying to, you know what I'm saying, get lean and stuff, all right? This for you too. That goes for you too. You gotta stay patient, okay? Because it's not gonna come within a week. It's not gonna happen overnight, nigga. You have to be patient. If you're not being patient, then you're gonna program your mind to think that you're still a certain weight that you didn't like to be, or a certain body structure that you didn't like to be. All right. So you gotta be patient. You gotta know that it's gonna come, but within a long amount of time. You just have to give it patience, all right? So when you're working out, just be patient, stay dedicated. And if you don't bulk up, at least you're healthy, and at least you're already better than most Americans if you're living in America, or people who are unhealthy. So yeah, but that's all I got for y'all today. Make sure y'all niggas leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's Sniper Man, and I'm out, nigga. Peace.